Most entrepreneurs barely scratch the surface with AI. They're using it for basic headlines and simple copy. But that's like using a supercomputer to check your emails. You're massively underutilizing its potential and, frankly, risking falling behind. Today, I'll reveal 7 hidden AI capabilities that can 10x your output. If you've read my AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or my latest blog post on the top 40 things you didn't know you can do with ChatGPT, you know that AI's potential is only limited by your exploration. Here, I'm handing you the keys to more advanced strategies, tactics that go way beyond the basics and can transform your business. And if you haven't grabbed the free resources yet, hit the link below now. Kicking us off at number 7, a free AI tool to optimize your website and boost sales, Google AI Studio. Using the Stream Real-Time feature, share your screen and walk through your website as if you were a customer.
Based on what I see on the screen, the website has a list of articles. You could consider placing an opt-in form on the side, maybe using a sticky element, or at the bottom of each article.
Here you're going to get expert-level feedback on areas to quickly increase your conversion rates. Never used Google AI Studio before? Hit the link below because I've got a complete breakdown on how to do this, including how to use its data analysis features to triple your sales. Moving on to number 6, we have Perplexity AI, which is an AI-generated search engine that provides citations. Now, it has a deep research mode that you don't have to pay $200 a month for like ChatGPT. For example, say you want to perform a comprehensive competitive analysis to find gaps within your marketplace to ensure your business stands out. It will do the deep research and generate a detailed report based on where your business is in the marketplace and what the biggest opportunities are for driving revenue. Number 5. Now you can easily build AI agents without any coding. If you don't know, an AI agent is a type of software that leverages AI to perform tasks autonomously, make decisions based on data, and even learn from interactions to improve its performance over time. Now you can create AI agents in Zapier. Go to Zapier, select the apps you want to integrate with your agent, like Gmail, and write a prompt on how you want your agent to behave. There's also a bunch of free templates you can use to get started, and I've even got a free full guide on how AI agents will reshape the economy in the coming years via the link below. That guide is one not to be missed, especially if you're ensuring that your business is going to be able to successfully adapt in the next 3 to 5 years. Now, if you've got to create presentations or even a website, if you go to gamma.app, paste your blog, video transcript, or the outline of presentation into it, it will turn your content into a full presentation, saving you hours of time. You can add this to your blog to make it more interactive and, most importantly, shareable, or use it in a webinar. Number 3, if you want to see what your competitors are up to, go to Appify. Here you can create AI pre-built bots to scrape data from their social media like Instagram or TikTok to spy on them. You can collect hashtags and even identify the content that's resonating with your audience. It'll also extract data like posts, likes, and comments. Then, number 2, you can take this data to Julius AI, which is a data analysis that's used by universities like Princeton and Harvard to generate reports, graphs, and insights. Upload the data from Appify, then ask Julius what you want it to do. Like, is there a particular theme your competitor is using that's resonating more than what you're doing? Or if there's a particular hashtag and posting time that works better than others. And finally, we have number 1, Hugging Face. If you're wondering if you can do something with AI but you're not sure where to look, this is the place. It's an app store, but for all of the AI apps that are currently available. You can search by category, such as voice cloning, chatbots, sentiment analysis, and even medical imaging. Just type what you're looking for and you'll be presented with a variety of AI apps to get the job done. And if you want even more tips and tricks on what you can do with artificial intelligence to ensure you dominate this year and next, Head over to the link below and I'll even send you a couple of free chapters from my brand new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door. I'll see you soon.